Hello, Sushikins and Sushi Queens. This is your WWE YouTube World Sushi Heavyweight Champion of the world, and you can acknowledge me. I say, hey, on the Sushi Buffet. So welcome back to another filled with will today here. So my dad actually makes this dinner, so we got chicken salad with rice, and I like Italian sauce on it. So it's Italian fried chicken salad. Because it be, I don't say this, health E. If you like health B. He's even calling free, everything right here. And yeah, so we got chicken, fries, Italian dressing, peppers, celery, and lettuce. Let's go while you do this. Alright, first I'll do is by sections. Fries, so the other is this now. Mm. Fries is delicious. Chicken, so the other is this. Mm. 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 Lettuce and peppers, so the other is this. I follow. Mm. 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 It's good stuff. Mm. I love reviews. I don't know why. Look at that. Wow. So the updates today here. So I'm back from Frisilla. So I will do another vlog on Ed's Business Channel. I got 4 subscribers. Please go to Ed's Business Channel because I want more subscribers on my second channel. Please do this. Do this to my other channel. Please, come on. I said I wasn't stretchy. And I'm almost done watching NXT. There's the main event coming up. And then after that, I will edit my vlog from Ed's Business Channel. It'll be amazing. And also, thank you for giving me 352 subscribers on this channel. Thank you. You guys are amazing screens on YouTube. Thank you guys. I saw comments saying it's good food reviews and either like on YouTube. Please, thank you for that. Comments, please down in the comment section of this video. And that's it guys here. I'm signing off. So thank you for watching all the videos. You can do this. You can sub a like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on your notification bell. Never miss a episode. And please, with second post, sponsor me on this YouTube channel. This the Game Sushi channel. And Angie's Experience too, please. And please share the channel to family and friends. And please communicate with me. And please follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter. And even though that, I have 2 words for you guys. Sushi, yeah!